how to apply promo codes on Kohl's checkout. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up with that and we should be easily able to apply it up. So let's go step by step. First of all, we can head over to kohls.com and we can browse the Kohl's website or the application. And we can select the items that we want to try. For example, let's say I would like to add in an item such as this item right here, and we can see this code section, which means this item is eligible for coupons. So what we can do is we can go ahead and proceed with checkout option. Go to the option for checkout, click on this option called add to cart. You can select the precise and quantity and click on this option called add to cart or proceed to checkout. And let's head over to our cart, view cart and checkout, and head over to the next page. And we can look out for a field labeled as enter code or promo code, something like that. So in this section, we just need to enter a promo code of our coupon. Type in your code exactly as provided and click on this option called add or apply. And check that the discount appears under the item or in your order summary. If it does not, the item may be excluded, the coupon may be expired, or minimum purchase requirements may not have been met. After that, you can complete your checkout. You can proceed with checkout, enter your payment and shipping info, return your review your order to confirm the discount, and you can submit your order. And only one promo code can be applied, usually as per order, and Kohl's cash and summer promotions can stack with codes. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.